Now, it also has another a great feature. It has Bluetooth audio streaming, which is great. All your music on your phone, as soon as you get in it, so long as you've got the right button clicked, it will stream audio from your phone through the speakers in the car. So we'll go to iTunes. Well, we would do if we press the right one. So we'll go to iTunes there. You see at the bottom ix35. There you go. There's a tick next to ix35, which means anything that this phone plays, any music, whether it be Spotify, YouTube, the audio will come through the speakers in here if you've got it set correctly. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to turn my phone down and I'm going to control the audio, the volume from my phone. Then we go over to media, click the media button, and it's come onto Bluetooth straight away. Mainly because you'd probably have a choice. You might have to click media a couple of times if you had anything plugged into auxiliary or the USB down here. So here it's playing. I'll turn it up on the radio, and then there you go, that's it playing. Thanks for watching.